You guys got to come see Jackie. Jackie's in the hospital. And so my wife and I went over there, and we seen her. She had tubes in her mouth. She was unconscious, and they had just given her a shot of morphine. Morphine is for pain. And as we walked in, she was very unconscious. And as we walked in, we said, Jackie, can you hear us? This is Caesar and Kathy. And she barely nodded her head yes. So we said, okay, so she can hear a little bit of us. And we kept trying to communicate with her, and sometimes she would respond, sometimes she wouldn't. So towards the end, the nurse was about to do her cleanup and her whatever she was going to do. So we were gonna have to leave. So I asked my wife, you know what? We got to pray with her. We gotta make sure that not only is she saved, but that she receives Jesus as her healer and as her Savior. And she said, okay. So I went over by her ear. I was like, Jackie, can you hear me? And she nodded her head. I was like, Jackie, God says that if you receive Jesus in your heart as your Lord, your Savior, and your healer, that no matter what happens in this hospital, you will be healed. Whether you go to home to be in heaven or whether you stay here on earth, you're going to be healed. Do you want to accept Him as your Lord and Savior? And she said yes. She nodded her head yes. And I said, okay, well, repeat this prayer after me. And I started praying with her. And as I was praying with her, I looked at her and she started crying. Mind you, she should have been unconscious. She started crying, and you see tears coming down her eyes. And so we prayed with her, and then we walked off. We left. We had to leave. 3 days later, we find out like, hey, what's going on with Jackie? Well, she's doing a little better. 2 days later, hey, what's going on with Jackie? Well, she's out of the respirator. They're trying to strengthen her lungs. 3 days after that, which is almost a week now, we go, how is she doing? Well, she's out of the respirator. She's breathing on her own now. And then 3 days after that, we say, well, how's Jackie doing? Jackie's doing great. She actually wants to see you guys. She doesn't remember everything that happened in the hospital bed, but she remembers child of God. She remembers the name Caesar and Kathy, so she's calling for you guys to come back. We come back to the hospital, and as soon as we walk into her room, she's sitting up. She greeted us, hi guys! Oh, joyful, back to Jackie, who she was before. She was almost dead, guys. This is why it's important that we open up to prayer. We open up to Jesus. We open up to the only one. There's no one or nothing in this world that has paid the price like Jesus paid the price. And this is why it's so important. This box right here represents the hope box. There's hope.